Good morning, my friends. Hope you all are feeling as fresh as this beautiful jungle. Let me take your picture with my new camera. Smile, please. Thank you. Let's see what word we have for you today. The word for the day is enormous. The dictionary meaning of this word is very large in size. In a simple term, it means very big. A very simple sentence with this word would be with a very well-known jungle animal, an elephant. Our sentence would be, elephant is an enormous animal. Another sentence could be, we took a ride in an enormous hot air balloon. The view from up there was beautiful. A few other describing words that have a similar meaning are huge, gigantic, or massive. A quick sentence using these words could be, the gigantic whale made a massive splash when it jumped out of the water. Now, as I continue with my painting to become good at it, all of you keep practicing these new describing words by making new sentences today. I will see you again very soon. Bye and take care.